Recently we came across this video that uses bread to make a cake, and that got us thinking. We decided to test out this method to see if we could make a tres leches cake using bread instead of sponge cake. Here's how it went. The first step is to cut off the crust of the bread because that part tends to be tougher and we wanted a consistent texture for the cake. Next we toasted the bread. Since we'll be soaking it in milk, we wanted it to maintain some structural integrity. You can use an oven or a toaster to do this, just until the bread is golden brown. Let the toast cool, and in the meantime combine heavy whipping cream with powdered sugar, vanilla extract, and a pinch of cinnamon. Use a whisk or an electric mixer to whip the cream until stiff peaks form. Next, in a container larger than your bread slices, pour 1/3 cup each of sweetened condensed milk, evaporated milk, and regular milk, then whisk to combine. Now's the tricky part. We wanted to dip the toast in the milk mixture just enough so it got soft, but not so much that it just turned to mush. We found that a few quick flips in the milk did the trick. Next, it's all about layering the toast with the whipped cream and finishing off with a good coat of cream all over the top and sides of the cake. Okay, honest review time. I didn't really have high hopes for this one, but I was surprised at how it turned out. The flavor was great, and the texture wasn't as bad as I was expecting. If I didn't think too much about the fact that it was bread and not cake, I could see myself enjoying a slice of this. Try it at home and let us know what your verdict is. And while you're here, subscribe for more cooking experiments.